Hi folks, we're back with more Revit training, and if you've been following along, you can see we've created our chair, and we've got several parameters that we've got in here for different sizes, heights, and width. So we can basically change this chair to any size or width. Now we want to go and look at materials. So, okay, what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to okay this. I'm going to select the back here, our back side, and I'm going to go in here where it says materials and the properties dialog box, and I'm going to click here. I'm going to link a parameter here, so I'm going to go associate this parameter. I'm going to say new here, and we're going to call this back material. And that'll be an instance parameter, and we'll say okay. And okay. So now, as we go back, let me see if I can still hold that. Okay, good. So now, as you can see, we have a new parameter here. It's called back material that we just created. So I'm going to select this default material that they would have here, and it's really nothing. So we have to go and create something that we want to use for our material. So I'm going to go here to the assets browser if it wants to come up, and then I'm going to go and just say fabric here. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to use this fabric right here for my back material. And then I'm going to apply that. And then I'm going to select this tab. Wait a minute, what's going on there? Why did that happen? I don't know. So here, now I want to go to graphics. I don't know why it's showing that, but I don't want that appearance. But here, interesting. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to apply that. I don't know why that's doing that. Oh, I know why. But anyway, for now, that's going to be our material that we're going to use. It should be the analytical panels. I should have duplicated and made another one, or I should have went there, to be honest with you. But anyway, I'm going to use that. We're going to say apply and okay right here. And then we're going to look at this guy in the, I'm going to just go apply here. Okay. Let's go look at realistic view. And so there's our material for our chair that we just created. So now let's do the same thing for the seat. Okay, so I'm going to just grab the seat here. And again, we have default material, which is basically going to be nothing. So there's our back material. Here we're going to create another one, and we're going to call this one seat material. Okay, and this will also, and I gotta spell it right, my goodness, material. And it's going to also be an instance parameter. And we're going to say OK right here. And OK. Then we're going to go back into our family types. And there's our sheet material. So here we're going to select this guy. We're just going to make this anything for now, because we don't want this video to go too long. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to create a new material. Actually, I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to create a new material from that. Okay, and in my asset browser, I will use anything. um, whatever would have went good with that. I don't want to use. I just want to use a solid, or just like I was just saying, anything, because I'm gonna show you how we can change these at any time. Okay, so let's just go with the square leather. Because I don't know what I want. I'm not doing it either. I want to get this done too, folks. Let's go with light brown fabric. Let's go with the dark brown. It might go pretty good with that chair. Yep, I think it would. And then we're going to apply that. We're going to look at our graphics. We're going to use rendered appearance here. Apply, and OK. Okay, now, click OK. So there's our chair. Now what I want to do now, I want to open up a project to see how this works in a project. Do I have one open now? I don't. So what I want to do, I want to go and open up a project and see how this is going to work in a project environment. So I'm going to go and we're going to say open new project. Don't matter what template. We're going to go with that one, construction template. Then on the window tile, these views. And what I want to do, I want to upload this into this project. So I'm going to go load into project. Okay, any day now. Okay, I don't know why that's coming in. Okay, so there's one of our chairs. There's another one, and another one here. So right now, we can go and change these types. So I'm gonna cancel, let's go into my 3D view over here. Okay. So now we have the luxury, now we can select these guys. Let me go into consistent colors. Realistic. Okay. So I don't know, we got a little issue there, but what I want to show you here is how we can change these types. So we can go here and let's see this family. We could duplicate these guys and change it to different types. So over here I had to do the type value. But hey guys, I just wanted to show you how to add materials to a family. We're gonna continue this exercise more in depth on family. So hey folks, thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe. It helps. Let me see, window tab. So anyway, we're gonna leave it there, and that's how you do materials in Revit. So guys, thanks again for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, be safe.